How to send WhatsApp message without saving number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video by App Hacks, I'll teach you guys how you can send WhatsApp message without saving number. But before that, if you guys are new to App Hacks, don't forget to subscribe down below and press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is open up your WhatsApp. After you open it up, you can head over to any chat that you want. After you're on that chat, you can just type in the number. Now here you'll need to type in the number directly. You can just type in your number which you want to message and send that number on WhatsApp. After doing so, if you press on the number, you'll get these options, that is saying call using phone carrier, and another options are add to contacts and invite to WhatsApp. Now if that number has WhatsApp already, you will get an option that says call in WhatsApp or message in WhatsApp. So after you get those options, you can simply tap on them and start messaging with them. And it's that simple, guys. All you have to do is go to any chat and type in the number, send it, and click on it. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.